Hi, I'm Yoda. Welcome to my class today. Most of you, if you're online, you know me from my WordPress courses. I'm also an instructor at the gym, Momentum Fitness. Today we're going to have a very small class. We're going to have 2 students show up. We normally have a full class, but because of the coronavirus, this is all we're going to get. I wanted to make something where everybody could do this. One thing you may not know, Bethany, who's in all my videos and the people in my class know, she's beautiful, she's wonderful, but she has no immune system, and therefore she's been quarantined for about 3 weeks. I'm quarantining myself after this class, putting this online digital for everybody who enjoy, so that I can keep my class safe, my friends safe, my family safe. If you want to do this at home, you've never done it before, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a set of weights. Some people just use 2 sets, a heavy and a medium, or a medium and a light, or you can get 3 sets. At the bottom of this video, there's a link to all the products that we have in here in case you want to be able to get it from Amazon, deliver straight to your house. That's where I got mine from. And just a regular Amazon Basics mat is pretty much all you're going to need. If you have any questions, please leave them below this video. I'd be more than happy to hear from you. Another thing is that one of the best things I do is I do protein shakes. There'll be a video. If you follow that link right there, it's going to show you how we make our little protein shakes. There's a chocolate peanut butter one and there's a fruit one. And I'm not looking to make anything. I'm just saying, hey, you're trying to stay healthy. You're trying to do this at home. Here's a great workout. Here's the stuff you need. Here's a protein shake to help your workouts. Let's get through this together and we can make this happen. Okay, before we get started, I want to thank Silver Media. They're giving us and donating their time. Dave behind the camera, thank you, sir, for your time. We also want to thank Momentum Fitness for giving us the opportunity to use their gym, and the 2 of you guys for just randomly showing up today, whether there's a virus about heading our way or not. So we're going to do our best. We're going to do our class today here, and then we'll have access to it online. We ready to get started? All right, great. All right, we can use our medium to heavy weights. And we'll start with my heavy weights. Down, 2. Down, 2. Down, 2. Down, 2. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Dead rows. Down, pull. Down, pull. Down, pull. Down, pull. Pull 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Upright rows. Up. 2. Up. 2. Up. 2. Up, 2, 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Now out front. Up 2. Up 2. Up 2. Up 2. Up 2. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. Good job. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Singles over the head. Now you guys watch for a change. I'm going to have to change something up on you, but you can handle it. We're getting ready to change it up. We're going to go up and out. So follow me, out the sides. Here we go. Up, out. 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 Now we're changing up the legs. Down 4, up 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 4, 3, 2, 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 2 by 2. Down 2. Down 2. Down 2. Down 2. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Singles at the top. Good job. Same thing, but bottom half. Change it up to curls. Up, 2. Up, 2. Up, 2. Up, 2. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3. Hammer time. Up, 2. Good job. Up, 2. Up, 2. Up, 2. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Dead row. Down, pull. Down, pull. Down, pull. Down, pull. Pull 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Pull 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, good job. Next song is going to be for legs. And just so you know, the class already knows this. I get 3 mistakes. Haven't made any yet, so we're good to go. Again, we'll use our heavier weight. We're going to start down slow and up slow. Up slow. Down slow. Up slow. Down slow. Up slow. Down slow. From the top, 2 by 2. Down, 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 2. Singles at the top. Singles at the bottom. Down, 2. 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 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Singles at the top. To the middle. To the bottom. To the middle. Down slow. Up slow. Down slow. Up slow. Down slow. Up slow. Pause to the top, finishing out with some singles. Middle. Singles at the bottom. To the middle. To the top. To the middle. All right, good job. Next song is on our mats. We're going to be using our heavy weight still. This is going to be for chest. Now you'll see me hit my feet like this. Really good work working these if you want to try to work that in. Follow me for the changes.